What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on push to talk for voice chat on Fortnite. So you have two options. You have the open mic and you also have another feature that's called push to talk. And I'm going to show you how to use this option. So go ahead and click your profile on the upper right and just go into the settings. And from here, click the communications tab. Here you'll find the option for voice chat method. And as you can see, here you'll find the option for voice chat method, and here you can just simple toggle this to push to talk and just simply go ahead and click and apply. So for push to talk, your microphone will always be on, and whenever you want to talk to your teammates or anyone, you will just press and hold the push to talk button. So this is a way to ensure that you don't say anything that you don't want to say, and you can just keep your microphone somewhat like a mute until you're ready to speak. You will just be able to use a push to talk button. But that's pretty much it, guys. And otherwise, if you don't mind, just have your microphone just open, then you can always use the feature as well to use open mic. And your microphone will always be on. Anytime you say it, it's gonna just always be recorded and heard. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.